Hello everyone, welcome to Tradesense Academy, the place where forex trading becomes simple and achievable for everyone. On this channel, you will learn step-by-step strategies to master forex trading, from understanding the basic to the advanced techniques like analyzing the chart, managing risk, and identifying profitable setups. Whether you're a complete beginner or you are looking to sharpen your skill, I have got you covered with easy-to-follow tutorials, expert insight, and proven strategies. Subscribe today and join a growing community of traders ready to take control of their financial future. Stay tuned for actionable tips, market updates, and strategies that actually work. Let's grow and succeed together in the world of forex trading. Hit that subscribe button now and never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in our next